Well, hello, darling. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my go-to 5-minute makeup. All products will be listed in the description box below. I like to start my makeup by moisturizing my lips with a natural oil. I have pretty large pores, so I always begin by powdering my face with a translucent powder. This will help me minimize the pores that I have and also keep my oily skin under control. And oh no, it doesn't stop there. I go in with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. This is hands down the best drugstore primer that I have ever used. I always put the translucent powder first and then the primer. For some reason, it works best that way. And now moving on to the eyebrows. The trick with my eyebrows is having them pre-plucked and already shaped. I prefer my natural eyebrow look, so I only go based off of the natural arches of my eyebrows. I let that dry and then we'll go in with my eyebrow powder. As you can see, this powder is hanging by its last pieces of dust. There's practically nothing left, and I absolutely love this eyebrow powder. I cannot remember where it's from, and it is so old that the labels have peeled off. So unfortunately, I can't say where it's from. One of the most common questions I get almost every day is what products I use on my skin. Well, my darling, this is it. It is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Yes, this is a medium coverage foundation and it goes on like skin. OMG, I love this foundation. I'm actually filming a video for YouTube now. Girl, you know I'll be there. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna give you a call back later, okay? All right, bye. I love my friends, you guys. My best friend, she just called me to check in to see how I was doing. And we do this every day, like almost every day, every week at least. I love her. Like, she's my best friend in the entire world. Okay, bye. I take my time when applying my foundation because I want it to look like skin. To accomplish that, I use a beauty blender and then go in with my Bare Minerals powder. This is a pressed powder and it just ties everything together. It provides a bronzy look, mattifies my skin, and it gives me even more coverage. Best of all, it lasts all day. Alright, darling, we are coming to the end, and I am applying a few coats of mascara to tie it all in, and that is pretty much it. Look at these eyelashes, you guys. I went from no eyelashes to yes ma'am. If you are enjoying today's content, please let me know in the description box below that you subscribed. Let me know that you subscribe to Cassie every day and tell me what you want to see next. Today, I'm going to be adding some color to my lips. This is not an everyday thing, but for you, I will. I'm lining my lips with a tinted lip gloss and then going in with a lip mask. This makes my lips look so healthy, so hydrated, and really absolutely love it. Voila! That is it. That wraps up the 5-minute makeup. And ladies, the reason for the 5-minute makeup is to help you feel beautiful every single day without sacrificing time. This is my go-to makeup, and I hope you find yours. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and until next time, bye for now.